Good morning, folks. It's Friday. Hope everybody's doing well so far. Hope y'all have a great day. Today's video is going to be short. It's just going to be one of us out there planting some cucumbers. We had laid some weed fabric down, and you'll see here shortly we cut some pop bottles and going to fix their own little personal watering source there. Their own little drip system. Um, in the video, I put 2 holes in it. I'm going to go back and change that to 1 hole. It come out a little bit quicker than what I was wanting it to. That won't be too bad. I'll just have to have them drink some soda pop. We've got some lids. Like I said, quick video. And I'll tell you now, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Monday. Monday, we're going to try to have that fermented plant juice video up for you. We'd started it the other day. We filmed some of it. It should be ready by this weekend there, and we'll show you that there. Folks, hope y'all have a great weekend. Take care. Stay safe. Lord willing, we'll see you Monday. Alrighty, folks. We made this little patch over here for our cucumbers. We're going to plant them up here. And to try to make the watering a little bit easier, what we've done, we've saved several soda bottles. And what I'll do, I'll cut the top out of this here. And we're going to put some holes in the bottom. We'll stick that down in the dirt. Just have a couple holes to where when I fill this up with water, it'll leach down in around the roots of the plant. We'll give it a try. Alrighty. Didn't have the drill with me, so I'm going to take one of our landscape staples here, heat that up, and try that out. Yep. Drilled right through it there. Put 2 there in the, yeah, see how many we can get out of that thing heated up there. Go ahead and heat this back up again. Then as the plants get bigger, if you need to, fix you another bottle up there. It just makes it easier. Down here in the other garden, for a lot of the stuff we'll have drip tape. But this here, we can just come by, fill the water bottles up, and then it can slowly leach out to them there. That one cooled off quick. Must have hit soda. Hello, rooster. Hopefully we got enough soda bottles here. I may have to send Dan and Carolyn down to hurry and drinking their soda real quick. Dang, that cooled off quick too.
I think you hit some more soda.
Okay. Go get her. Alrighty, this here is what we're doing, folks. Planting our cucumber like this. Planted it down in there. Now, took our little pop bottle. We showed you drilling the holes in it. Fill that up with water. It'll be its own little personal drip system. We'll just do that all the way down there. I won't bore you we'll show you the finished product when we get done. Alrighty folks, it didn't take long at all. We got those planted. What we'll do, I'll come through here now and fill up these Coke bottles here with water, and then I can see how fast they'll go down. Alrighty.